Of my project for CS50 Web 2020 commerce with Django and Python. So this is a landing page of my auction site. The page shows all the listings available on the site. The user is not logged in, so they just see a small amount of information about the listing. And the user can filter on categories here: fashion, camping, or all of them. So when a user that's not logged in tries to create a new listing, they will get redirected to a login page. So let's log in as Isaac. He already exists. And as you can see, now that he's logged in, there's more options in the navigation bar. Create a new listing, you can look at his watch list and check out listings that he's made bids on. Okay, so let's say Isaac wants to make a bid on this Apple MacBook. So as you can see, you have your comments at the bottom. That's one model. You've got your bids that you can make in another form. That's the bids model. And then this is basically a listing object. So that's your listing model. So Isaac says, wow, this is super cool. And when he makes the comment, it appears here on the right. So let's say he tries to bid 11,000, but he accidentally puts in the wrong number. He gets a message, your bid is too low. So let's try doing it properly. And his bid was made successfully. And here you can see he made the latest bid, and there's 3 bids so far. So he can also add this listing to his watch list. And if he goes to the watch list page, you'll see that this listing is on his watch list, and he can remove it from his watch list. And then when he goes there, there's no items in your watch list. If he goes to this page, he'll see that this listing is one he's made a bid on. You can see the value, shows the latest value, and that the bid is still ongoing, which means the listing is still active. Now, he can also create a new listing. So let's say he wants to list this awesome core vacuum machine. And this would be not specified because currently there's no category for that. And he says, okay, 600 Rand first bid. So let's just take the description. I've copied it here. And there's an image link, which we'll put in here and save. And now you see this listing is here. No one's placed a bid, and you can comment. Okay, so now let's log out and log in again as admin. So we log in. Okay. Now I'm logged in as admin user, and if I go to this MacBook Air, I see, okay, there's a bid of 11,000. I'm going to accept this bid. And you see that listing disappears. And now if I log out and log in again as Isaac, who made that bid, if he goes to this page, he'll see a banner that says he won. And if he looks here, he'll also see some more information about it. If the listing was closed and you didn't win, there'll just be a banner in red that says, sorry, auction is closed. So there you have it, my listing page, auction website, sorry. Thank you and goodbye. I forgot, if I'm logged in as the main user, I can go to the admin dashboard, and here I can edit listings. So say I don't think that a listing is appropriate, I can delete it. And if I go back, that listing is gone. Thank you, goodbye.